Here's a 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. Inside and out, every inch of the Silverado is built with a purpose. There's no doubt that it was created to be a serious work machine with a powerful V8 engine and StabiliTrak to make the journey between jobs a safe one. And what used to take multiple trips will only take one with the incredible payload capacity of the cargo box. Once loaded up, shut the door and turn off the world with Silverado's quiet cabin thanks to sound dampening materials and triple sealed doors. Throw in your own tunes with an auxiliary audio input and enjoy the ride. The Silverado 2500HD is the toughest can-do truck on the road today. Stop in for a test drive.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.